In this lecture, we are going to talk about a special type of queue and its interface. So remember from the beginning of the semester, we talked about queue as something that follows in, first out pattern. Priority queue is similar to queue in terms of the facilities, meaning it's in queue and DQ mechanism and some of the observer methods. Priority queue does not order elements in a first in, first out manner. So in fact, priority queue is used when Java objects are supposed to be processed based on the priority of the elements. This is what we're going to go through. Elements with the highest priorities will be accessed. Later on, we're going to talk about this data structure called heap. This makes use of priority queue in ordering elements when we store them in data structure called tree. Priority queue is important for applications that involves processing data which contains some sort of priority. So this priority could be in terms of the numbers, or this priority could be in terms of the creation time or modification time, or this priority consists of the strings by the order of the strings in either ascending or descending order. So this is something that, as a developers, you can build into the priority queue using a comparator methods. But anyway, this is the interface you see in your modules. Priority queue interface only has 5 methods: in queue and DQ. When the capacity is reached, we throw a priority overflow exception. This is inheriting from the Java runtime. And also the priority underflow exceptions. When you DQ something, the queue is already empty, then it throws that exception. Otherwise, the standard is empty, is full. The slice method is applied to this priority queue. So let's look at some of the implementation details in the following lecture.